Why would it not have that value? Why would it?
These are not delivered by Workday values. That's why Workday gave us a calculation. If it is based on our requirement, which amount we want to return, that can be configurable. Okay. Because, for example, if they gave 2.5 or 2.50, it's not like all the customers require this one. Correct? That's why custom calculation. Yeah. Looks like this is already existing in the system, but I'm supposed to give 20.50. Whenever you got this error, if the values already exist, okay, same name cannot be given. Hence, it's 20.5, 20.5. Let me set okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, create logic calculation. AMD location equal to token price and cost center equal to 34000 and worker hire date greater than equal to 31 days. AMD location Boston. AMD cost center 34000 worker hire date. Sometimes you may get this question, again, what if I move this as a first one? Does still my calculation works? Absolutely it works. It's not like everything needs to be in a line. Okay. Each calculation is circular reference. It looks for the criteria. All these criteria should match. Either it should be last or first. Workday that doesn't matter to Workday. Okay. But for meaningful order, I'm just giving one after another and condition. Okay. What is the value? 49.80. Definitely this number may not be available. So let's create constant value.
So it has to be exactly that.
Right. Correct.
It can't be, and the system is going to apply its rounding to that.
Rounding is applicable. So that is a different logic. If you would like to bring the rounding rule related, we need arithmetic calculations. Round up, round down, round up nearest to 0.01. We will discuss that. But here exact values we are processing. This is a union fees deduction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But we have that concepts. Round up, round down. Yeah.
Okay. But I'm saying in your calculation here, it has to be exact.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So 49.80.
Yeah. The reason why I have selected this value is because I want to show how to get constant value calculation. If I give 49 or 40, I'm sure Workday has that calculation already in the system. Instead of selecting the existing one, if I get a new value so that you will get an idea how to create. So that's all the reason.
Okay.
40.8.
Wait, I don't think that's right. Oh, there it goes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now this is also ready. Now, if any employee not falling into this criteria, we should return 0. That's what default response is 0. Because a mandatory field, you must specify information. If any employee not falls under this one, these locations, you should ignore. Okay, select. Go to the usage. Here you have the deduction navigation instead of searching through the task. Okay, let me edit this. Okay, all looks good. Now let's assign here post tax. If you not assign this pay component group, Workday doesn't process. Okay, post tax. Okay. Now please help me here. We have to test now. So we have to test for employee in Atlanta, Chicago, New York, Boston. What is the best practices in searching? I mean, in testing.
That you test, each one, an employee in each location.
Right. So yeah, if I go with each location, maybe I have employees in Atlanta, 100 employees are there. Maybe 5 employees part of this cost center, 95 employees not part of this cost center. So we have to spend more time to find the employee, correct?
Say that one more time. Say that.
Yeah, let's say we have 100 employees in Atlanta.
Mm-hmm.
Out of 100 employees, 5 employees are associated with this cost center. Remaining 95 employees are not associated with this cost center. By any chance, if you pick the employee from 95, employee may not meet the criteria. Agree?
Right.
Right. Now let's see what are the best practices in testing. Anyone wants to try? Okay, no problem. So use the task find worker. For quick test, I always use this task. So the find worker is a very good task, which let you allow to identify a group of set of employees based on different criteria, based on the age, based on the base pay segment, certifications, companies, compensation grades, cost centers, cost center hierarchies, etc. I'm going to put the filter on location first. Location. First Atlanta, right? I'm going to search here Atlanta. This is the challenge now. There are people who will create it with same location multiple times. No problem. How many employees are there in Atlanta? 12 employees. Out of these 12 employees, how many employees are part of the cost center? This is our test employee.
Okay.
This is one way of testing. Another way, sorry, go ahead, please.
Okay, so wait, what cost center was he in again?
Sorry, what? Cost center.
What cost center was he in again? Oh, okay. 3,400.
The same criteria.
And he's been working there for at least 31 days. How did you determine that?
Good one. So that one, take the employee. Okay, no problem. Under summary or job, here you have hire date, years of service. So he is already completed 31 days.
Yeah. Okay.
He met the criteria. This is one way of testing, manual approach. Let's see another approach.
A manual test, like go into his payroll and recalc payroll.
Right now, we can do that
Yeah.
as well. But I want first we'll talk about testing part. I will share another way of testing to find out the test employees. This is also important criteria, right? At least to do penny testing or unit testing. Create a report or ask your integration team or reporting team to create this report.